Hey everyone, well, Lance Fantasy Gaming, the vlogging series update and so forth. I feel like shit right now. But if you like watching me sing like shit, please subscribe, like, and share, and support the channel. I haven't touched up on Fulgrim yet. Um, Probably do that tomorrow afternoon after school. It's just that I am just taking a whole bunch of Thermoflu, Nyquil, and my CBD gummies, knocking the hell out and getting as much needed rest as possible. I was supposed to volunteer on Tuesday night for bingo for American Legion, but I'm just too damn sick, so couldn't do that as well. I went to school, trying not to put my hand in the lathe machine, but I did my best on making the part, screwed it up, throw it out. Myself working on my seventh part for my men's my NIMS, that is called NIMS, I believe. NIMS certification for my machine tool. I'm probably going to finish NIMS by next year, next semester in the spring. It just, there's too many classes and there are too many people on the machine that, and they already broke down two lathe machine right now. So, they have the like really old ones, like back in the 70s and the 80s, and they don't work too well, and a lot of them aren't really maintained. I wish they were, but uh, it is what it is. Just gotta do what you gotta do. Um, we should have our new 3D printer coming in this Friday. We're gonna test print some stuff. It's smaller than the M7 Max. It's like a 10.1. It's a Photo Z 16K, the brand new one. Um, we'll see how that works, and I might get a 13-inch one. I do not know. The problem is that I like printing big minis. It's just the space. I just don't have the space to put them in many places. So I'm gonna have to figure that shit out later on down the road when I get to that point. I'm still cleaning up. Still a mess. It's just wasn't in the mood to do a lot of other things for it. I found a lot of my old school newspaper that I wrote. I used to be the sports editor for Cargo for San Leandro High School. See some of the old ones that we have. Yeah, back then we used to use, I think, Adobe Illustrator, I believe. I also did yearbook for my high school as well. And it brings out good memories. I found some stuff from robotics and Dungeons and Dragons and so forth as well. I found that I used to volunteer for Key Club. We have some of the Key Club stuff here. This is back in November 4th of what year? This is the this is where we're up in the mountains. I forgot what they were called. SIASBs. There should be a year on this thing. Oh man, October 2006. Man, that was junior. I don't know, it was my senior or my junior year of high school. I graduated '07 of June, so October. That would be my senior year of high school. It is one of those things that when you pick up shit that you just gathered up for so long, you look through it, you're like, what the fuck? And you're like, okay, cool, that is great to see. And later on, you're just gonna put it somewhere else. And hopefully, my kid will see is this a newspaper? Because I don't think there's gonna be newspapers anyway anymore um, in a few more years. I know there's some newspapers here and there that I see that that the city newspaper make. I know New York Times have some. It's really rare to see it now. It was more common back in the 90s and the early 2000s. Now it's just everything's digital, everything's PDF. Uh, I like it, and I also hate it. I like the feeling of the books and the pages because that's what I was grew up on. But books take up a lot of space. PDF doesn't really take much space. You can look it through your tablets, phone, and also your computer. So we might end up transitioning a lot of the stuff to PDF for D&D books. We transitioned a lot of the movies and animes into digital. So you buy a lot of them from Voodoo. for it or Amazon Prime, depending on which one's cheaper. And we got rid of a lot of our Blu-rays, DVDs, and VHS tapes because we have it all digitized now, and it's a lot more easier to watch and enjoy at the same time. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it I have for you guys, man. I'm just sick. I'm tired. I want to go to bed. I hope you guys do enjoy your rambling like an idiot. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.